Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Western Union money transfer online. So let's get started. So here we are in westernunion.com, and from here you want to make sure that you have an account in order for you to log in right here. If you don't have one, then you can just sign up. So from here, what you want to do is that you want to go click here on track transfer. And from here, what you want to do is that you want to provide the MTCN that was given to you, maybe in your email once you have made your transfer, or in your receipt. Then you would need to provide it right here and click here on I'm the sender, because you should be the sender in order for you to cancel this one right here. So once you have provided that right here, then you should be seeing a cancel button or cancel link after you have provided this and click on continue. And if you don't see the cancel link right there, it means that your transaction has already gone through and it's not eligible anymore for cancellation. So in this case, if you really want to cancel it, then what you can do is click here on help right here. And from here, you have no choice but to contact the customer support of Western Union. So from here, what you want to do is you can call them, or you can just email them right here, and you can just ask them if it's still possible to cancel it right here, because you don't have the cancel button anymore available for you. And this is the only way that you have left to do this. So yeah, you can just click on chat now, or you can just go for these contact details right here. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.